Thank you so much. My name is Wycliffe Mwesigwa, passionate about digital marketing, passionate about the new trends, the emerging technologies, but today, more specifically, we're going to be talking about digital marketing. Just like the new normal we talked about last time, you've seen the trends, the arcades are being opened up once again, but there's still a lot of challenges with how much rent are they going to pay. So this pandemic has brought a lot of challenges, but like they say, winners always identify, winners always identify opportunities in tough times. So during this pandemic, I wanted us to put more emphasis on online marketing or digital marketing, if you'd like to call it like that. So today, I want us to talk about search engine. Search engines, of course, there are very many, by the way, just because most of us just know about Google, and if somebody is telling you, just say Google that. But actually, there are many search engines. You have Google, you have Bing, you have Yahoo. There are quite many, but just like because Google is the most prominent because it has an entire ecosystem. If you look at, actually it's under Alphabet. So Alphabet is the entire company that houses Google, it houses YouTube, it houses Gmail, basically everything about especially the Android phones. So if you own a business right now, you need to look at how you can reduce on your costs or expenses and increase on your income. So this morning I was discussing with a certain trader, and he was telling me he needs to pay. Of course, they have not worked for 4 months. This guy has been paying 3 million at a certain arcade. I don't mention the name right now. He has been paying 3 million per month. So if it is 4 months, which means he has to pay 12 million. Those are the negotiations they're in right now. But he was asking me, realistically, how can I be able to pay 12 million? That is a lot of stock for my business. I can stock up on a lot of items using 12 million shillings. So I gave him an idea. You can opt for selling online. You can opt for put some things at home or get a store. Stores are cheap. Like you can see around Kampala, most of the arcades, we normally occupy the ground floor and the first floor. Then the rest of the floors are empty. So some of them utilize those as stores, and they are relatively cheaper. So you can use that as an opportunity, You can use it as an opportunity to hire a store and be able to sell your items online. But for you to get into that, it is an entire industry that you need to analyze how it works. There are very many different aspects that you can look at. We have content marketing, we have social media marketing, we have email marketing, we have what we call inbound marketing, we have viral marketing. There is quite a lot to look out for. But this time, I wanted us to talk briefly about search engine optimization, what we call SEO or SEM. Search engine optimization is with, like you hear it, it concerns search engines like Google. Let me give you an example. When you place something, any word, anything that you want to know about, and you place it in a search engine like Google, you normally see, you can just take it as an example. Just place any word into that search engine and try to search for anything. On the first pages that they bring you up, because Google is just a collection, they just collect for you a wide range of websites and they present them to you. So literally you need to select which one is the best, which one best suits that item that you're looking for. But there's one aspect I want you to look at. Look at those first 3 websites that they provide. There's a small on the left. There's something like they indicate AD, like it's an ad. Those guys have optimized their website. You can decide to use paid advertising or paid optimization. So you can literally increase the visibility of your website. So if you're a business and you have a website, you can decide to do what we call search engine marketing. Now, under search engine marketing, you have search engine optimization. You can pay certain fee to Google, and they put your website on top. So if, let me say you do fashion, we have what we call keywords. If you're doing fashion, you can place keywords like shoes. You can put online, people who buy online. You can put like clothes or in a brand. So those are the keywords. So if somebody comes up and places a search in Google that he wants brown boots, you can be able, your website can be brought up first so that people can click on it and you get, and they visit, they'll definitely visit your website and see the different products that you're having. Yeah, so the other concept I can talk about PPC, that is pay-per-click. That is another concept that can be embraced. You place an ad online so that if anybody clicks on that ad, you will definitely be charged a certain amount of money. If nobody clicks on that ad, you will definitely not be charged for anything, absolutely. So you need to optimize your website. You need to optimize your website, and you make it attractive to the viewers. So basically, that is what I wanted to talk about today: search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and pay per click. So that is how you can optimize your website, or hence giving more visibility to your business, and you get more profit and more sales. So I would advise you, please subscribe to this channel, Waswa. We shall be sharing quite a lot of things about the emerging technologies, about digital marketing, and together we shall make our lives better using social media, using the digital platforms. Don't forget to follow me up on Twitter. On Facebook it's Wycliffe Mwesigwa. On Instagram it's Wycliffe Mwesigwa. Then on Twitter it's at Wycliffe Mwes95. Yeah, you can follow me up. We shall get in touch. Thank you.